So hi everyone, we have a big news coming in that Cohere has dropped a new model Command A Vision, which is said to be the best multi-model LLM so far. As you can see, we are introducing Command A Vision, a new state-of-the-art generative model that brings enterprises leading performance across multi-model vision while maintaining strong text capabilities also. That's the best part. Here you can see that it can handle visual data like slides, diagrams, PDFs and photos. It surpasses models like GPT 4.1, as you can see, Llama 4 Maverick, Mistral Medium 3 as well. Strong performance across enterprise vision task. As you can see, everyone the model is topping the red bar. If you can see, strong performance across enterprise vision tasks, charts, graphs, diagrams, analysis. It's pretty good. Here also, if you see the different benchmarks that we have, Math Vista you might have heard of, the model is topping everything. Document OCR and visual processing also, the model stands out. And here you can see the doc VQA, text VQA, OCR bench, everywhere command A vision is topping. GPT 4.1 Pixel large, Mistral medium 3, Llama 4 Maverick, everyone is behind command A vision. The model is about 110 billion parameters and looks strong. Real world scenarios also the team has mentioned. Here you can see that create two markdown tables, one for revenue, one for CAGR. Convert the scanned invoice into a JSON. Analyze damages risk level on this building. Pretty interesting. The last example, it has just blown my mind. Visible issues, risk level moderate to high. Pretty interesting. I think the outputs are great. Capabilities and efficiency suited for enterprise scale. What customers are saying, the results are great, and the model is available to test out for free on Cohere platform also, and also on Hugging Face. So if you go to the Hugging Face page, here you can see that you need to agree to some contract before getting access to the model. Command A Vision 072025, and the team has given all the codes also to run the model, so quite easy to run. And this is the Cohere dashboard where we can try out the model for free. That is Command A Vision. So let me try out the model. So here you can see that you have just switched to Command A Vision 072025, the latest model, and now we are getting an option to upload. So let me upload some image. Let me test out how it performs. What is the context of the image added? I'm just testing it out. I am not testing it out for enterprise vision like explaining charts and graphs. Let's see what it output. This is the cover of my new book, Model Context Protocol. As you can see, let's see what output it gives us. The image is the cover of a book titled by Mehul Gupta and Ladri Sen. It is able to explain it quite well, I would say. Pretty interesting. The model is available for free chatting on Cohere Playground. So do test out the model. And as you have seen, it is able to beat out GPT 4.1, Mistral Medium 3, Pixtral, and whatnot on enterprise vision. So the model looks to be one of the best in multi-model arena, and do give it a try. It is coming from Cohere, which is a renowned brand by now. So I hope you try out the model and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Thank you so much.